Hi everyone, my name's Adrianna and I'm a teen teacher here at UPLIFT. Feel free to subscribe to our channel for more videos taught by our other UPLIFT teens. Today I'm really excited to share with you all about setting goals. I know that we've all heard of setting goals and we've all probably set many different goals for ourselves, but there's a way that really resonates with me that I would like to share with you, and it's all about focusing on how you want to feel opposed to a specific outcome. Let's get into it. I'll start with a quote that I really like, and it is, "Create a life that feels good on the inside, not one that just looks good on the outside." I know that when I used to set goals for myself, it came from a very external place of what does my mom want from me? What does my sister want from me? What does my dad, my friend want me to do? And also what did society picture for me? What have I seen that you are supposed to or that you should do? And all of my goals kind of were coming from that place opposed to what I actually wanted and needed, an internal place. An example that's really present in my life is college, because all throughout mainly my high school years I had this idea that I had to go to college to be successful and go to college to access what I wanted out of life. And once I was able to let go of that specific college outcome I had that was never really authentic to me or my journey, I was able to think about, okay, what did I actually want that was behind that? For me, when I thought about college, it was because I wanted to do something I loved. I wanted to access passion within my career. But when I started focusing on that, the passion and the love, and pursuing that opposed to that specific outcome of college, I was able to go on this authentic journey of following my heart. And it's led me to a job that I love, teaching gymnastics to kids. It's led me to be here doing this YouTube video with a yoga foundation I love. It's led me to find my own personal practice. It's led me to a lot of things that are actually authentic to me. That being said, I'd love to share a tool that has helped me tap into what I really want and what I really want to feel. And here's a vision board that I made focused around the feelings and the emotional experiences that I was wanting to call in at the time. I made this vision board one night when me and my family were having a paint night. It was during quarantine. I was dealing with a lot of uncomfortable emotions and situations, as probably all of us were, and this really helped me focus on what I wanted to feel and start working towards that. Starting in the middle of the board, you will see me in a little meditation bubble. At the top right corner, I painted a picture of these mountains with hearts all around them, and to me, that was about wanting to feel like I was working towards something that I loved. In the top left corner, you will see a field that I painted with some flowers and some sunshine, and to me, that just represented peace and ease. In the bottom left corner, I drew what to me was kind of like two people's auras, and there was little hearts in the middle of them, and that was about me wanting to experience intimacy and support and connection. The bottom right corner for me symbolizes grounding. You see me doing tree pose, which is actually my favorite yoga pose, and roots going down into the earth. And at the time I was really struggling with feeling grounded and just secure and in tune with my body. So that's something I wanted to call in. One of the outcomes that showed up in my life that represents all of my paintings really is my teacher training. I was invited to be a part of UPLIFT's 200-hour teacher training, and I felt very connected to my purpose. I was being challenged in a way that was healthy and encouraged a great amount of growth. Another outcome that I'd like to share is one that represents the bottom right corner of my vision board, the tree pose painting. This outcome was me finding many different practices that allowed me to feel really, really grounded and centered, and allowed me to access a whole new, deeper connection to my body, and these are things that I still carry with me and do throughout the day, throughout the weeks, throughout time to access grounding and a connection with my body. For the top left corner, which represented peace and ease, I can definitely say that I've been able to call in and see those feelings much more in my life than when I first made the board and I was feeling out of control and anxious. I'm feeling much better now and much more trusting in myself and the universe. I would love to help you get started and try this out for yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and guide you through a quick and simple visualization. I'll go ahead and start by taking a big breath. Go ahead and inhale and exhale. Go ahead and take a second to tap into what feelings you would like to call in. How do you want to feel in your life? Allow it to be represented by whatever comes up for you. Maybe that's a shape, a color, words, maybe even abstract images you can't explain. Whatever it is, just let it be and focus on how it makes you feel. Let yourself experience and be taken by the feeling. Just go ahead and do one big inhale and one big exhale. Go ahead and blink your eyes to open if they were closed. And even though that practice is really short and small and simple, it really makes a difference. And it's taking that first step to get in tune with what you truly want and desire. I even encourage you to get creative and take it a step further by making something that represents what it is that you want to feel. It could be a vision board like I did. If you like singing, you can sing about how you want to feel. You can do some other sort of drawing, or you could simply find some object that represents that for you. Whatever you do, just allow it to represent what it is that you want to feel in your life. And I would encourage you to put whatever it is that you created somewhere that you can see every day to serve as a daily reminder of what it is that you are committing to and what you are pursuing. For example, my vision board, I had put it right on the dresser that is in front of my bed, so every morning I would wake up and see it right in front of me as a beautiful reminder. I'm really excited for all of you to try this on and try this out for yourselves. I'd love to hear down in the comments what you experienced during your visualization and what you plan on creating. Well, thank you so much for watching this video and taking the time to invest in your wellness. Happy manifesting.